afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to turn this zucchini into this delicious zucchini bread. So come along while we get this started. All right, friends, so let's get started. You're going to need some sugar, flour, 3 eggs, a zucchini, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and some pecans. Now for our zucchini, I've got this really large zucchini. So I'm just gonna cut off the ends. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop out the seeds. Cut this again. And we are gonna go ahead and place this in our shredder. All right, so we need 2 cups. So let me go ahead and measure this out and see if we've got 2 cups of zucchini. Yep, we've got 2 cups. All right, now we need 3 eggs, and these are my duck eggs that I'm gonna be using. We're gonna mix all of our wet ingredients first. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Go ahead and mix this real quick. And we're gonna add in our 2 cups of zucchini. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side and work on our dry ingredients. All right, for our dry ingredients, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll go ahead and mix all these together. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry. And we're going to mix this together. I'm also going to add in 1.5 cups of pecans. And just fold this all together. All right, now that everything is well combined, there's no more dry flour. All right, I've got 2 loaf pans, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray them with some cooking spray. And we are gonna divide our mixture into the 2 baking trays. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and bake these at 350 for about 50 minutes to 60 minutes, depending on your oven. So I'll see y'all back in about an hour. All right, friends, so our zucchini bread is all done. I've let it sit here for about 15 minutes to cool. We're gonna go ahead and take this out, slice it up, and give it a try. Look at this. It's super moist and soft on the inside. That's so good. Friends, you gotta try this. So good. Like, you can't go wrong with this. And you never know, you had zucchini in it. You can make this for your family, and your kids will never know that you put vegetables in this sweet dessert. All right, friends, let me know in the comments if you've had zucchini bread and what you think about it. And until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.